The one we have here is this USD CAD. So would like to try to predict for the next day where this USD CAD will actually be moving. So notice we are doing this analysis on the 21. So we would want to try and see where the price will be moving for the 2022 for the 22 of September. So if you have to zoom it out on this daily time frame, or let's go to the 1 hour time, weekly time frame is the best time frame to actually analyze this trade better. So we can see one movement on this weekly time frame. That is a bullish move, right? We are actually on an uptrend on this weekly time frame on USD CAD. Coupled with the fact price is now above our 10-period moving average. We all know that once price is above 10-period moving average, we are to actually look for it to go long. So once price is above 10-period moving average on the weekly time frame, especially if you are trading on the weekly time frame aspect of it, you are to actually go long, which means you are to actually buy this. So USD CAD, we are actually bullish. So basically on this weekly time frame, we would want to see the price actually roll up to take out a level of 1.35450. So we are currently at a level of 1.33955. So we are at a level of, again, 1.33955. We would want to actually see this move to about 1.35450. So we would continue to go bullish on our USD CAD to actually take out at least this highs we are seeing here on this USD CAD. So weekly time frame bullish. On this daily time frame, we all can see here, right? We are actually on an uptrend move. See it this way: impulse move. We had a drop. There was an impulse move again, right? We saw this is the impulse move which broke above the previous highs. We had another pullback, then another impulse move was made. See it this way: this impulse move actually broke above the previous highs. So this is actually an uptrend move, and we would continue to have that impulse move up since actually take this level with a like date, then possibly a pullback will now then occur. If not, we will continue to go bullish, which means our USD CAD is bullish. Reason why: we had a bullish move yesterday. Reason you see it, we had close to 100 pips bullish move on our more than 100 pips bullish move on our USD CAD yesterday. This week too, we've actually opened bullish, right? And it will continue to go bullish. So the next day we are aiming for is a bullish move on our USD CAD. So USD CAD, we would want to actually go long on this USD CAD. Now to place this trade, we would roll down to the 4-hour time frame. What does the 4-hour time frame tells us? Simple as easy, very, very easy and simple, bullish, right? And price is above 10-period moving average. So again, we are to place this trade on the 4-hour time frame, and the 4-hour time frame is bullish, which means price is above 10-period moving average. So today on the 21, we will open and close bullish. On the 22, also on this USD CAD, we would also open and close bullish. So the next day, which is on the 22, we are expected to actually open and close bullish on this USD CAD. Then after some bullish move upward, we should be expecting a pullback, right? Because this is a bullish move here, a bearish happened, then a bullish move actually happened here, then a bearish occurred, and now a bullish move. We should see the bullish move roll up a little bit before a bearish move will occur as a pullback on this USD CAD.